Hi everyone. Today we talk about change the order of integration. So I want to discuss one problem related to change the order of integration. Evaluate the following integral by changing the order of integration. Double integral over x squared by 4a 2 times square root of ax dy dx 0 to 4a. Okay, this is the question. I am going to discuss about all the steps one by one. So the initial steps what we are going to do here is you have to check the order of the integration. Order of the integration means the innermost integration is with respect to with respect to with respect to y. So the corresponding limits for y is either functions of x or constant. But what is given in the question? It is only functions of x. So no need to change the order. You retain as it is. Suppose if it is given like this, double integral over y squared by 4a 2 times square root of ay 0 to 4a dy dx. Here the innermost integration is with respect to y. The corresponding limits for y is either functions of x or constant. But what is given here? Functions of y. So it is not the correct order. You have to change the order first. So change the order in the sense double integral over dx dy. After that you can proceed. You will get the answer. This is the first step. But what is given in the question? It is no need to change order. What is given in the problem? It is correct only. Okay. So next what we are going to do? Using the limits, we are going to sketch the diagram. Using the limits, we are going to sketch the diagram. Here, the limits are this. Okay. So, y is equal to x squared by 4a. Y is equal to 2 times square root of ax. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 4a. These limits are given in the question. So y is equal to x squared by 4a represents a parabola. X squared is equal to 4a y. Y is equal to 2 times square root of ax can be expressed as y squared is equal to 4ax. This is also a parabola opened in the right. So it represents a parabola opened in the upward direction. This is also represents a parabola opened in the right side. X is equal to 0 represents a line along the y-axis. X is equal to 4a. It's a line parallel to y-axis with 4 units. Okay. Using this, we are going to sketch the diagram. So, how we are going to sketch the diagram? See, this in this manner we are going to sketch the diagram. This is x squared is equal to 4ay. Y squared is equal to, this is y squared is equal to 4ax. This is x squared is equal to, this is x squared is equal to 4ay. And this is x-axis, this is y-axis. X is equal to 0 along the y-axis. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 obviously lies here. So how do you know that x is equal to 4 lies in this point of intersection of two parabolas? So before you are going to draw the line, you are going to find the point of intersection of the two parabolas. So how do you manipulate point of intersection of the two parabolas? X squared is equal to 4ay and y is equal to 2 times square root of ax, that is y squared is equal to 4ax. So in this you can manipulate x as y squared by 4a. You can substitute the value of x in this expression. So what happened? Y power 4 divided by 16a squared is equal to 4ay. So y power 4 minus 64a cube y equal to 0. So using this I can manipulate the value of y cube minus 64a cube equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 and y cube is equal to 64a cube. So y is equal to 4a. Okay. So y is equal to 0 means what about the corresponding value of x? substitute here. Y is equal to 0 means the corresponding value of x is 0. Y is equal to 4a means the corresponding value of x is 4a. Therefore, the point of intersection of the two parabolas will lies 0, 0 and 4a, 4a. So, you can draw the line here. This is x is equal to 4a. Using this, I am going to find the region of integration. Region of integration is bounded by all the four limits. What are the four limits? X squared is equal to 4ay. Y squared is equal to 4ax. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 4a. This is the region of integration. I can show it in this diagram using this. Yes. So this is x squared is equal to 4ay and red color parabola represents y squared is equal to 4ax. This is x is equal to 0 and this one will be x is equal to 4a. So this is your required region of integration. Required region of integration. Using this, we are going to find the limits. Okay. After second step, what we are going to do? We are going to changing the order of integration. Using this, we are going to, okay, next what we are going to do after changing the order of integration. Initially, the order of integration is first with respect to y. But now I am going to change the order. So what happened? The innermost integration is with respect to x. After that only with respect to y. That means double integral over dx dy. After changing the order of integration, the integration is performed first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So double integral over dx dy. So using the region, we are going to find the limits for x. Okay, so how do you find the limits for x? By using the diagram. Here the innermost integration is with respect to x. That means we are treating y as constant. Y is equal to constant means it's a line parallel to which axis? X axis. So I am going to draw a horizontal strip. So in that you can find the limits for x. So how do you find the limits? You can find the limits only from left to right. Left to right. So one end of the strip will falls on the parabola y squared is equal to 4ax. The other end will falls on the parabola x squared is equal to 4ay. In that you can express x in terms of y. So how do you write x is equal to y squared by 4a? So from this here x is equal to 2 times square root of ay. And then you have to move the strip from bottom to top. So what is your bottom? This is equation of x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So what about your top? Y is equal to 4a. So 0 to 4a. When you move the strip from bottom to top throughout the region so that you will get the whole area. Okay. So the limits for x is y squared by 4a. 2 times square root of ay. Y squared by 4a, 2 times square root of ay. And outermost limits for y is 0 to 4a. After that, ordinary integration. Here I am going to perform innermost integration with respect to x. So integral of dx is x only. So x. So you can substitute upper and lower limit. Upper limit is 2 times square root of ay minus y squared by 4a. Now you are going to perform outermost. So 2 times root a is constant, take it outside. Square root of y power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, 0 to 4a y squared by dy. So here I am going to manipulate 2 times square root of root a, y power 1 by 2. What is integral of x power n? This is the formula. Integral of x power n dx will be equivalent to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So x power half plus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4a. Integral of y squared is y cube by 3. Okay, here upper and lower limit is 0 to 4a. So 2 2s are 4. 4 by 3 root a. Now you can apply 4a the whole to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 12a. 4a the whole cube. Lower limit 0. Now simplify 4 root a by 3. 4a power 3 by 2 can be expressed as 4a into square root of 4a. Am I correct? Minus 1 by 12a. 4a the whole cube. So 4a the whole cube is 16a squared. So 4 3s are 12. 1a get cancelled. Here 4 4s are 16. 16 into 2, 32. Root a a squared divided by 3 minus 16a squared divided by 3. 32 by 3 minus 16 by 3 is 16 by 3 a squared. This is the final answer. Okay. So next, I want to discuss one more problem related to changing the order of integration. Evaluate the following integral by changing the order of integration. Double integral over a minus square root of a squared minus y squared, a plus square root of a squared minus y squared, 0 to a xy dx dy. So already we discussed how we are going to solve the change the order of integration. Before you are going to do the changing the order, you have to check whether the given order of the integration is correct or not. So how do you verify whether the given order of integration is correct? Here the innermost integration is with respect to x. The corresponding limits for x is either functions of y or constant. But what is given here? Functions of y only. So what is given in the problem? It is correct. So no need to change the order. If it is not correct, after that only you can change the order. Okay, if it is correct, no need to change. So you can retain as it is. Okay, double integral over a minus square root of a squared minus y squared, a plus square root of a squared minus y squared, 0 to a xy dx dy. Here the limits, innermost is limits for x. X is equal to a minus square root of a squared minus y squared. Okay, so x minus a equal to minus square root of a squared minus y squared. Squaring on both sides, x minus a the whole squared is equal to a squared minus y squared, or x minus a the whole squared plus y squared is equal to a squared. So this one I will get same thing in the upper limit also. X is equal to, you will get a circle with the center at a comma 0 and radius is a. So what about outermost limit of the outermost integration? Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to a. Y is equal to 0 represents what? Along the x-axis. Y is equal to a above the x-axis. That's why I can write y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is the second step. Next, what we are going to do? Using the limits, we are going to sketch the diagram. So how do you sketch the diagram? Center at you can sketch the diagram like this. Center at a comma 0 and radius is also a. So here a unit, here also a. So obviously the circle passing through the origin. Okay, so you can draw the diagram like this. So this is the x minus a the whole squared plus y squared equal to a squared. Circle with the center at a comma 0 and radius is a. Okay. Next what we are going to do? Y is equal to 0 is nothing but what? Along the x-axis. This is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to a. So radius is a. This is y is equal to a. Y is equal to a. It's a line parallel to x-axis with a units. So the region of integration is bounded by all the four limits. All the four limits means y is equal to 0, y is equal to a and the circle. So the upper half of the circle. This is your required region of integration. Okay, this is your region of integration. Okay, after this what we are going to do? We are going to change the order. So initially the innermost integration is with respect to x. So now I am going to change the order. Then the innermost integration is with respect to y. With respect to y in the sense double integral over xy dy dx. Dy dx means innermost integration with respect to y. Now we are treating x as constant. X is equal to constant. It's a line parallel to which axis? Y axis. So I am going to draw a vertical strip. So in that, one end of the strip will falls on the line y is equal to 0. The other end will falls on the line y is equal to the other end will falls on the circle. This is only a point. So if I draw the strip here, this one will be lies on y is equal to 0. The other end will lies on the circle. Okay, in that what we are going to do? We are going to be express y in terms of x. So 0 to y in terms of x means y squared is equal to a squared minus x minus a the whole square. Y is equal to plus or minus square root of a squared minus x minus a the whole square. Here I can consider only the positive roots because the region lies in the upper of only the first quadrant. So we can consider only positive roots. So square root of a squared minus x minus a the whole square. And then you have to move the strip from left to right. So what about your left? This is x is equal to 0. What about your right? X is equal to a. Not a, 2a. Because center at a comma 0, radius is a. So what about this point? 2a. So 0 to 2a. So this is your required limit. Okay, see. Integral 0 to, so if I draw the strip like this, one end will touch the line y is equal to 0, the other end will touch the circle. Okay, I can consider only positive, and then we have to move the strip from left to right. This is x is equal to 0, this is x is equal to 2a. After that, ordinary integration. Integral 0 to 2a, x with respect to y, so y squared by 2. Now you can simplify the square root of a squared minus x minus a the whole squared into dx. 1 by 2 is constant, take it outside. Now you can simplify this. You will get 2ax minus x squared. I is equal to 1 by 2 integral 0 to 2ax minus x squared into dx. Now you can multiply each and every term. And integral of x squared is x cube by 3, x power 4 by 4. Substitute upper and lower limit. If I substitute the upper limit, 6, 2 by 6, a x cube. But 2a the whole cube minus 2a the whole to the power 4 divided by 8. Lower limit 0. So 1 by 3, 2 cube is 8, a power 4. 2 power 4 is 16, a power 4 by 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 by 3, a power 4 minus 2, a power 4. If I take the LCM, 8 a power 4 minus 6 a power 4 divided by 3 na 2 a power 4 by 3. This is the final answer. 2 a power 4 by 3.